one more thing. We always think devotion means foolish people, immature guys. We always think by being logical, here they call cool, by being very steady, cool, they think they are very intelligent. Let me tell you one truth clearly. To doubt, you don't need intelligence. Any fool will doubt. Only fools doubt. Let me tell you, to doubt you don't need intelligence. It is a very simple thing. It's not a big thing. Any fool will start only with the doubt. Only to trust you need intelligence. You need integrity. You need courage. Only to trust. You need to take the risk only when you trust. To doubt, you don't need to take the risk. Doubting is a simple thing. Any fool will do that only. Because there is no risk involved. Go on analyzing, doubting. Nothing needs to be done. Your logic is trained to doubt. So doubting is not great thing. Be very clear. Never think you are a great big guy if you are constantly doubting something. People come to me and they stand they think that they are great guys or big guys because they can doubt me. I tell them, fool, any fool can doubt me. It's not a big thing. I'm not speaking only about me, about anything. To doubt, you don't need intelligence. All you need is little ego, which we have enough. Nothing much is necessary. All you need is little foolishness and little ego, which we have enough. To trust, to have devotion, to feel connected only you need intelligence. You need to take the risk. You need to be courageous. Only then you can trust. You can take a jump. Otherwise it is impossible. I tell people, never think people with devotion are not courageous. We always have an idea. People with intellect, we think they are courageous people. People who can doubt, they are courageous. Many people come to me and they think that they are very courageous and say, Swamiji, I doubt so many things which you say. I tell them, to doubt you don't need courage. Don't think you are courageous. You are fool. You are coward. That is why before taking every step you are analyzing, logically questioning, doubting. Be very clear. Let doubt not be associated with courage. It is a pure cowardness. Cowards doubt.